How to enable Chrome Profile Selector on startup. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how you can enable the Chrome Profile Selector on startup. So for that, you just need to follow up some steps and you will be done. So let's just get started with the video on how to do it. So open up your Chrome browser and you will be seeing this kind of interface on your screen. Once you're here, go ahead and look out on your profile that you've linked with the Chrome. And once there, you reach there, go ahead and click on Manage Chrome Profiles. Open it up on your screen, your Chrome profiles, and you should be finding that interface on your screen. So here, you will be finding your profiles right here. So in order to enable it, you will be finding this option called Show on Startup. You're just going to check mark it, and that is how you enable it. So that is super easy. You can also follow the same process in order to enable the Chrome Profile Selector on startup as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.